All right, so here we are, claim number 3651M247K. It is August 18th, 2023, 9:46 in the morning, 77 degrees. Thankfully, it's not too hot today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking off this shingle here because of the wind damage from this shingle pulled through. It's also ripped this one. So to document if this is a repairable surface, we're gonna do this one here. One thing to note, there's no granules, and we do have a control, which we'll come back to at the end, but also no granules are coming off. All right, let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna have to do to get this one off is obviously unseal this. Then we're gonna unseal it here to here. So we can get the shingles here, or the nails here on these shingles. We're gonna have to unseal these and get the nails there underneath those, and then we'll put it in. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Oh, another thing, there is no delamination of the tabs right now, as you can see, other than this one. So these are all still good. We'll document that later. All right, easy enough. I'm gonna pick up these nails that I pulled out. All right, so there's the shingle. Go ahead and get that out of my way. Let's go ahead and slide this into the hole. This is the shingle you recommended. It's the duration, as you can see. So it should fit perfectly. That's going to be a minor situation there. That's not the right shingle. If it was, it would fit, but let's just, for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and trim it. First thing I do is slide it up in there. Hey, will you zoom in on that real quick? I want to show there's material transfer right here all over the bottom of this shingle. That's not good. Let's keep going. up on that nail line in there. You can see there's a nail zone, obviously, so you got to get it in there. Push it up in there. There we go. Alright, so let's go over this real quick. Let's take a look at what we have going on. First thing we want to see, do we have any tabs that are delaminating now? That one's good. That one started to there on the corner, but I'd still say it passes that. That one is. There's one that is delaminating there. Nothing there. There's another one. That one's good. There's another one. That one's still good. Now let's check the edges. You can zoom in over here. On this, you can see that there's a tear right here. So we're gonna mark that down. All right, here's another edge tear. And let's look on these. It's like there was another minor tear here, about an inch. Put that down. And no more tears, so that's good. The other thing that we did have, remember, underneath here was material transfer in 3 places that we had zoomed in on. We'll go ahead and put those down. And then still the granules are coming off now, so you got degranulation going on. You've got tears. You got delamination of the tabs, tears. You have more delamination, tearing. You got mat transfer from the other shingles. And due to this is a failed repair, because when we go to fix this one shingle, we actually damaged the next 2 up. So due to this, we're asking for a new roof.